Today I am rating and reviewing all of my favorite Rhode products. So I'm just going to go through everything that I've tried from Rhode and I will give you guys my thoughts on my favorites, my least favorites. I'm going to start off by saying that I love Rhode. I'm obsessed with their lip treatments. I have almost every single one that they've come out with, for the exception of maybe like 2 or 3. So I just wanted to say that I do love Rhode. I'm going to start off with their skincare. The first product that I tried was this peptide glazing fluid. I still have it in the old packaging. This is like the matte. I never finished it because I discovered this. So I didn't really need to finish this. I will finish it because I can't let this go bad. But I went through 2 of these and I hated the pump. The pump on this one sucked. It would always, like, you would squeeze it out and nothing would come out. The product itself, amazing. I loved this. I used it with the Barrier Restore Cream. When you don't want to irritate your skin and you're having like a lot of breakouts and stuff, you just need something gentle but like moisturizing. This was like my go-to. This Restore Cream, I really liked it at first. Now I feel like it doesn't really stand out. It's not as moisturizing. This is very light. If you have oily skin, I feel like this would be a really great option, especially for summer. And this is also very like lightweight but still hydrating. So I feel like these two for like oily skin during summer is great. I would not repurchase this. I feel like the Barrier Butter is so much better. And I would repurchase this, but I still have like almost all of it left in here. Now for the Barrier Butter, this is the best product I have tried. Once I tried this, I feel like the Restore Cream just didn't have a place in my routine anymore. This is what I wanted the Restore Cream to be. It's very like thick and like buttery and very moisturizing. If you use tretinoin, this is like amazing to layer with. First I got the mini travel size. This lasted me like 3 to 6 months. It honestly lasted a really long time and the size of this is perfect. Now they have repackaged this into a smaller size, so instead of 5 ounces now you get like 3 ounces or something crazy. So now it's a lot more expensive, but I restocked, so I should be good for a while. I got 2 more as backups because I love this so much, and the 5 ounces for like 40 bucks is such a great deal in my opinion for the product. This is the glazing milk. This stuff is amazing. It's so perfect. It's like light and milky and this feels like it lasts forever. It layers so well with the Barrier Butter. I feel like my skin looks glowy and hydrated all the time. If I were to choose 2 skincare products for the rest of my life, I would do both of these together. They're amazing. Now, I do feel like there are cheaper alternatives to this. Laneige has a milky toner. So many like drugstore milky toners. And Bioma is another really good one. Unfortunately, they did the same thing that they did to the Barrier Butter. They downsized it, so you do get a little bit of a smaller bottle. This is 4.7 ounces. I don't think they changed the bottle size. I think they just made the amount inside a lot less. So that sucks, but it is an amazing toner if you're looking for one. Next, we have Pineapple Refresh Cleanser. I love this so much. It's very gentle. It doesn't dry out my skin. I can use it morning and night. It's a pretty good sized bottle. This is 5 ounces. I love that you can essentially squeeze out all the product because of the way the packaging is made. But also, I feel that it tends to leak in the lid. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it kind of just like leaks out. It just sits at the bottom, so it's a little wasteful, but it is a pretty amazing cleanser. I do have one of their phone cases. These are so iconic. I love them. Now, is this worth the money? I think it was like 30 something dollars. Yes and no. I feel like this looks really cute in mirror selfies. it's adorable, and I love having my lip treatment easy to access. However, it kind of slides off of my phone. I'm going to show you guys what I mean. Like, it's not on there very tight. It's not like a very secure tight fit. Obviously I'm like peeling it back, but like just anything can just kind of like push it off. Either way, I still love my Rhode phone case. I just feel like it kind of slides off. It's almost like the silicone gets a little bit loose over time, and it's just prone to sliding off of your phone a little bit. Next, my favorite are the lip peptide treatments. I personally love the lip treatments more than the lip tints. It's definitely fun to have like some fun colors. I haven't even used it because I'm scared I'm gonna run out, but I love this for summer. This one is so good. I have Salty Tan, which everyone loves. She's good, but I barely even used her. I have Toast. These two right here, Raspberry Jelly and Espresso, are probably my least used lip tints. I just don't love darker colors, but I still have them. They're really pretty for fall. I love a good pink lip treatment, so these two are my most used. I just love the scented ones. They smell so yummy. I have the peppermint. I don't know why, but I didn't love the peppermint one as much. Like, the scent is nice, but maybe it's the texture. It just didn't feel as good as the other ones. I have Salted Caramel. Salted Caramel is my first love. This is the first product I ordered from Rhode. This is what got me hooked into their products. I love this one. This one is so good. I have the unscented version. I've gone through a couple of these. These are really nice, but I do prefer the scented ones. I have Watermelon Slice. This is the perfect summer lip treatment. Now, it's not one of my favorites. I would probably give this like a 7 out of 10. I love it, but watermelon is not one of my go-tos. Now, I did hear that they reformulated their lip treatments. So like the salted caramel that I have and the vanilla, they taste sweet, they taste good, they taste amazing. They're really good. But I heard that they took the sweetener out. If you guys have them and they did in fact take the sweetener out, please let me know. I'm gonna be so sad. I actually have a new one of the vanilla, and I'm excited to use it, but I'm gonna be so sad if it no longer tastes good like it used to, because why would they do that? I have Strawberry Glaze. This is so good. 10 out of 10. 100 out of 10. Amazing. Tastes good, smells good, feels amazing. Limited edition, so you can no longer get it. I have just like the tiniest bit amount, and I've just kept it just for the memories. I also had passion fruit jelly, and it looked exactly like this. Like, I saved just the tiniest bit amount so I could just reminisce and smell it and just enjoy it. Honestly, I didn't even use it, but I lost it. I still have this though. Let's see if she smells amazing. So good. It smells like a strawberry, but like a fresh strawberry. If you guys got to try this out, please let me know in the comments if you love it as much as I do. I love a good limited edition lip balm. So I also have cinnamon roll and sugar cookie. These are amazing. I love like the formula and like the color of these the best. The scent is good, but the scent is like very strong and perfume like. And the scent that they used in these two is nothing like Strawberry Glaze or Passion Fruit Jelly. I did not try Jelly Bean, but I heard that one was really good. But the scent that they used in these is just not as good. I don't know what they did differently. It's just not as good. But the colors, so cute, so amazing. These are like a 9.5 out of 10 for me. I wish the scent wasn't as strong and perfume like. Like, I wish it was more realistic. These do have like a similar scent profile. I do have two of the lip shapes. These are so cute. I love the packaging on these. The wear on these is not, it's not good. It's not great. But they don't market it as long wearing, so, you know, it's fine. The color's amazing. I have the color Twist and the color Balance. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. So this one right here is Balance. This one is Twist. I love this sort of shade for a lip shape lip liner. They do have a little blender at the other end. I personally love using the little blender because when I use my finger, then it's on my finger and I can like smudge it on my clothes by accident, so I hate that. But I hate the cap because it falls off all the time and it'll just be lost in my purse, and then if I actually use it as a smudger, and then it can get like all over my purse and stuff. So I hate that the cap comes off so easy. They're not super long wearing, but they're really nice, very creamy, very blendable. I have 5 of their blushes. So I have Piggy, Freckle, Sprinkle, Sleepy Girl, and Toasted Teddy. I also bought a backup of Sprinkle because it's the prettiest. I'll start with my least favorite. Least favorite is Toasted Teddy. It's not that I don't like it, it's just a little too dark. It's a little too pigmented. It gives you that like bronzed look. It's like a bronzy blush. Toasted Teddy would be number 5 if I had to rank them. Sprinkle would be number 1. I love this color. It's so pretty. It's like sparkly. It's the perfect like pink summer, any season, honestly. I love this one. This is number 1 for me. I'm so torn because Piggy is one of my most used shades. It's so easy to use. It's just like light pink, like a light baby pink. It's perfect, but I love the other 2 a little bit more, so this is number 4 for me. Now I'm in between Sleepy Girl and Freckle. I can't decide. I want to put these 2 on the same number, so number 2, but I can't, so I think I'm gonna do Freckle, number 2 top favorite blush. I love like a peachier sort of blush, so Freckle is number 2 for me, and then Sleepy Girl is going to be number 3, Sprinkle number 1, Freckle number 2, Sleepy Girl number 3, Piggy number 4, and Toasted Teddy number 5. That was so hard to choose. I feel like they're all my favorite. I love them all. I love to wear them except for Toasted Teddy. That one's just hard to wear. These 4 are perfect. That is all for my collection of Rhode, my talk through on my favorite products. I would love to know what your favorite products are from Rhode, if you love Rhode or if you haven't tried Rhode, what you want to try from them. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one.